So, hopefully clued up in geography.
Give it a go.
I am colourblind as well. Is it Ireland? I'm colourblind. No, this is not fair.
Italy.
That's Italy.
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 Italy. Italy, yeah. I knew it was Italy. Florence, yeah.
Sweden.
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 Albania.
That's Albania.
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 Oh, doing well here. Bulgaria.
Bulgaria.
That's Hungary.
Hungary.
Bulgaria.
Hungary.
Oh,
North Macedonia.
North Macedonia.
Algeria.
Is that Macedonia? North Macedonia. Oh, you got to give me that. I reckon you should give me that one.
I'm only going to say this because I heard someone say it before. It's just North Macedonia.
Montenegro.
This is going to be either a really good guess or a miles off a guess. Sri Lanka.
Montenegro. Oh, wow. That surprised me. I was going to go Serbia.
Oh my God. Kyrgyzstan.
San Marino. That one's San Marino.
That's San Marino.
San Marino.
Yeah, don't know that one.
San Marino.
I know that one. Malta. Is it Malta? Yes.
They got me out here. Oh, no, I don't know.
Gibraltar.
Yeah. Malta.
Ooh, is it Malta or Gibraltar? Gibraltar.
Ah! I swear you're making these up as I go because that's not a flag.